What's going on today, guys? Today, we got a new first impressions for you. We got a game that's a roguelike stock market simulator called Insider Trading. Basically, it's a deck builder, and I saw it. It's got its 1.0 release on February 18th. I'm going to have a link down below to the store page if you guys are interested. But without further ado, let's just get at it. I want to see how this game plays. I'm curious. I like stock and money, and I like messing with stocks. Looks like there's quite a few different classes. If this is well on the channel, then I'll definitely do more episodes because I feel like this could be kind of fun. But let's see. Let's just tutorial. Yeah, we're gonna just do a tutorial. I have no idea what we're gonna be doing, and I guess we can only play on intern right now. So let's send it as an intern insider. Anyways, hopefully you guys have been having a great day. If you have, go ahead, let me know. Drop a like and a subscription down below and a comment because I like hearing from y'all. Always like know what's going on in my people's lives. But let's get at the game. Hello, intern. Welcome to the team. I'm your supervisor, and I'll guide you through your job. Ooh, that moves around. That's tactile. I like that. It's cute. Your goal is to make money off the market by trading stocks. Cool. At the end of every Friday, we'll check if your balance at least meets the target amount. Lucky landlord. Okay, gotcha. If you fail to reach the target, you'll be fired immediately. All right, cool. Love it. As an intern, you must survive 6 weeks or 30 days to win your promotion. So 6 budgets. All right. Enough said. Let's get into work. Click start to begin your day. I'm probably going to reverse rug pull myself, and I'm probably going to go in the hole like $1 billion. What the heck? At the start of each day, the cards will be drawn from your deck. Okay, cool. So we got bulls. We got bears. -1 price, +2 price. We got big bulls. Big bulls. Okay, and then big bears. So I guess to adjust it for buying and selling. Just using these cards to just buy and sell is most likely what's happening. Alright, so let's see. We control the daily stock prices through these cards. Hover over them to see each of their effects. Yep, gotcha. Cards will trigger from left to right once the market opens. From left to right. So it's going to be bull, bull, bear, bear, bull, bull, bear, bull, bull, bear. Okay. Generally, you'd want to trade when the price is expected to rise and skip if not. Cool. As we are seeing a lot of bulls say, let's give trade a try. How would I... Okay, so here's the thing. How long does it take before this actually triggers? I mean, I'll do it just to see. Now watch how these numbers move as you make your purchase. I'm curious now. Okay. Yeah. Give me 1,000. Oh, clicking trade will buy as many shares as you can afford with your balance. Afterwards, your cards will trigger one by one, affecting the price. Let's see them go. +6%. Okay. Once the cards finish triggering, all your shares will be sold at a new price. Look. So I made 60 bucks. Okay. Splendid. Honest pay for honest work. You made 60 bucks. Just like that. Okay. Now let's head over to the aftermarket. Okay. So 1 interest for 5 tokens. Cool. When each day is over, you'll get to choose 2 new cards to add to your deck. Ooh. Select 1 red card and 1 green card, then press confirm to continue. Alright, so we got Cubs, -1. Okay, well, what's our good? So let's see what we have for good, and then we'll adjust the bad to compensate. If adjacent to the bull cards, delete them, and delete this card as well. Okay. So this is if you don't want a lot of big and you want to be able to sell, I guess. Opportunist, investor. If price is under $100, plus 10% price. Otherwise, does nothing. Okay. The greedy. Investor, plus 5% price. Okay. Let's just do... Yeah, there's just one of these guys. He's cool. Yeah, he's cool. Bear 3, minus 3% price. Controller, modify price by by minus $1. This card cannot set price under 10. Cub, minus 1% price. Effect modified by minus 1% for each bear card queued. No. Let's do a controller. I'm curious to see how that does. We have 2 investors, 1 negative, 1 positive. Next, we have the shop. Here, you can buy upgrades using tokens. Pills over here are single use. And perks here last forever. I'll give you a few tokens so you can get a feel for things. When you're ready, head on over to the next day. Okay, so relaxant. If used when market is open, reset costs for moving and discarding cards. Antidepressant, doubles tokens. Okay. Actually, can I just use that now? How many tokens do I have? 24. Nice. Let's see. New perk. Rapid fire. First card in queue gets 2 triggers. Nice. It's gain 1 max pill slot or 1 token every time the second card in queue triggers. Let's do rapid fire. That sounds fun, I guess. Let's run it. Let's run it. Actually, how's our deck looking? The greedy. Okay, cool. Let's see how we're looking. What was yet another wonderful day? Something seems a bit different today, doesn't it? Those cards are shiny. When 5 or more cards with the same type connect, they form a combo. Careful, I'm not talking about colors. I'm talking about types, as in bulls, bears, or investors. All cards in a combo will trigger twice and give you +2 tokens as the bonus. Use this combo to your advantage. Mark is all about riding that momentum. Now, before you click that trade button, I advise you to push this combo even further. You can move or discard cards in your hands by using tokens. First action each day is free. Move the highlighted cards to extend the combo. Cool. Move it. And yeah. Oh, come on. Yeah. Move. There you go. Wonderful. Now click trade when you're ready and go through the rest of the day alone. I'll see you come tomorrow. Actually, I'd rather move you. Actually, don't. Yeah, just send it. It's fine. It's fine. Hmm. 30%. Heck yeah. We almost got the target day on Tuesday. Nice. Next. Alright, what do we add this time? We got the police uncommon investor. Delete adjacent investors. If there are no adjacent investors, this card's deleted instead. Okay, it's a one-offer. Bull 3, that's good. Surfer. Plus 10% price. If price is over $100 after triggering, permanently modified this card's effect by -2%. No. Let's just go with a Bull 3. That's good. The Fearful Investor, -5%. Bomb Fisher, -6% price. If price is under $100 after triggering, permanently modified cards effect by... Okay, Bottom Fisher might actually be okay. It could actually become a beneficial card eventually. If used while market is open, give +1 trigger count to the first card. Ooh, okay. Or environments. All cards' price modifying effects are permanently buffed by .0. I'm going to do one of those. And we have enough for another perk, so let's hit it. Consistent. Every time a combo is triggered, +3 tokens. Required card count to triggered combos, -1. That's okay. Perk price, -3 tokens. Perk price cannot... you know what? Let's get more perks. That's cool. Okay, can't do any of that right now. So let's... How many turns we got? We got 1. Let's send it. You seem to be doing well so far, but wait, your cards seem to be on the bearish side today. Well, that's nothing to worry about. We still have a few more days to go this week, and the target seems within reach. This is the perfect opportunity to lay back and skip trading. Your balance resets to $1,000 at the end of every week, meaning you don't need to trade every day. My advice is to skip whenever you can. Doing so will even give you 10 extra tokens. As a tip, it's better to lower the price when you're skipping. There once was an enter that went nuts and made the stock more expensive than they could afford. You don't want to be in that position, do you? Remember, your balance resets every week, but the price doesn't. Don't worry if this sounds confusing at first. all will make sense in time. Yeah, so I'm gonna cook this round and yeah. Well then, that's all I had to say for now. I'll leave the rest for you. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna cook the shit out of this. Please try not to get fired. I wish you the best of luck. Cool. Let's go ahead and move you to there. Massive combo. A big bad. And let's just trade it. No, let's skip it. That's absolutely bad day to trade. Let's just drop that price to like the absolute gutter. Minus 10%. Good day. Good day for me. We got to trade today, though. The next day. We got Bull 3. That's cool. Another Greedy and a Bull Trap. Let's get another Greedy. And Bear Trap. Fish. Okay, that's cool. Bear 3. Let's go get a Bear Trap, too. And we have 18 tokens. So, Sleeping Pill. If used when market is open. Price minus 10%. Oh, I didn't use that. Interesting. If used when market is open, reset cost for moving and discarding cards. Let's get another perk. So we got Recycler. All cards price modifying effects are buffed by point or zero. Every time a card is deleted in queue, buff permanently increased by 0.01. Okay. The long. First green positive card in queue gets +1 trigger. Strategist. Every time you move or discard a card each day, all cards temporarily gain 0.02 times buff to their price modifying effects. Let's just do a recycler. We're deleting things. We should be deleting things. And fuse when market's open, price minus 10. Let's do that. I have an idea. Alright, what we got? Okay, we can work with this. Let's go ahead and move this to there. Move those two. Move this one. Good. Costs a bit more than I'd like, but it is what it is. That's going to be massive. We're trading today. But yeah, okay. +1. Okay, cool. So it does work at the beginning. All right, we're trading this. Heck yeah, let's go for it. Heck yeah, Bear Trap got rid of a -2, so that's good. Don't get this above 1,000 though, otherwise you're screwed. Basically is what the game's about. The Opportunist. Price under 100, 10% price. Another greedy. Another greedy. And then Fearful. -5%. That actually might be good. Yeah, let's get another one of those investors. Minus $10 on the price for 3. Would be good, maybe. Nah, let's just send it. Let's see. Today is Friday. You know, we got our target. Let's just skip it. We don't need it. Today looks bad. Probably could have moved some stuff and made it worse, but still went up 4%, which would have been a day to play, but eh. Inflation is the market. Everything has increased. Fuck. 35 tokens though, we're good there. New weekly event. Event will be active for 5 days until next event. New connections. Ape. Add to shop. Monkey type cards. Monkey cards specialize in deck thickening. Monkey duplication. Interesting. The people. Add to shop ideology. Discarding cards. Drawing cards. I want to go a monkey. Be real. Your new friend offers you a gift. Empty pill slot is needed to accept. Yeah, I'll accept your random pill. What is this? White powder. Oh, no. Used when market is open. Permanently delete first 5 cards of queue and redraw. Okay, I'll use that later. Opportunist, greedy, or calf bull. Effect increases by 1% for each bull card queued. This is something I would like stat. Another greedy actually would be good. Chip, minus question mark price. This card's effect is randomly decided between minus 1%. Okay. Heck yeah, let's go with that. That might be good. Stimulant. First up, let's get a perk. Market shifting. Archer. At the start of the day, mark a random queue slot card. Card in the mark slot will get +2 triggers. Last 2 cards in queue get +1 trigger. And first green positive card in queue gets +1 trigger. I guess let's just do Archer. It's not terrible. That's fine. Actually, I wanna definitely get that stimulant too. I need crack in my life. What the heck? Okay, null. Does nothing. This card will be deleted upon triggering. Cool. So 2 nulls. Chimp will drop the price. The greedy. We got 5.1, 3, 2, 8% up 3, minus 2%. Balance out, minus $1. We can move some stuff too, so. So you buy the cards at the beginning of the day too, and then you run the price down and then up. Go ahead and do that. And do I want to sit this out? Yeah, I'm gonna sit this one out. Monday's not looking good today. It really doesn't look that good. Where are we at? Yeah, negative 12%. I'm glad I stayed out of that. That'd have been cooked. What we got? We got Bull Trap, we got Calf, and we got Mating Season Monkey. Plus 1% price, add a copy of adjacent monkey cards that is not named Mating Season into the deck. Give me a Mating Season, yeah. And then give me a Bear Trap again. Dewormer. If used when market is open, permanently delete first 2 cards in queue and redraw them. Psychedelic. If used during card selection, replace all cards with random rare cards. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Let's get a perk. The long, don't want it. Every time a combo is triggered, +3 tokens. The short. First red negative card in queue gets 1 trigger. Inconsistent. Do want that. I should have used that too. That would have been good. Probably use that. First 5 cards in queue and redraw. So this guy I could get rid of. Bottom Fisher. I do want to keep Bottom Fisher. Because he's actually going to get under 100 after triggering. Yeah. That gets rid of that bear. So that'll crush those. Move these 2. And then I think it should be okay to trade. Good, those broke. Yes, that should be better. Oh no, I lost him 10%. What? Oh no. I'm sorry, 2 null cards will be added to the deck on day start. Null cards have no effect. Ah, damn. Champ. Plus, okay. Between 1 and 8% extra. Okay, let's hit a champ. And then let's hit another bottom fisher. Choosing the mud card, this card's deleted. Actually, a loner. Yeah. What are you, a stimulant? Or a psychedelic. 17 tokens. We have enough for both, so let's hit both. Persistent. Immediately gain 5 tokens. Max interest +2. Cool. 1 token every time the second card in queue triggers. That could be good. Last 2 cards in queue get +1 trigger count. Let's get a... Yeah, let's get a runners up. And then a psychedelic. And then if used during card selection. Yeah. So we'll go in here and then do card selection and run with that. Those are nulls. This guy, just gonna move you to the very end. 1 token, so give me there. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna bother with that. I'm trained. This should be a good haul. Should be a good haul. Yeah, 14%. Nice. You can only have 10 perks, it seems, unless it goes past that. Mating season, calf, opportunist. Mating season. Get another one of those. Cub, fearful. Yeah, send that. Painkiller. Nope. Stimulant would be good. 17. Actually, we don't want to bother with any of that. Let's just send it the next day. Ugh, this day's pretty rough. It's Thursday too, so we have to, you know, really be on it. I really hate the nulls. They are really messing everything up. Actually, instead, let's just discard. What's the worst one? You. You're definitely worse. And then you can go here, and that should be okay. I think we should make money on this day. 1, 2, 5, 7. Oh no, we should not. No, we're definitely gonna be skipping this one. Hopefully Friday's good, otherwise we're screwed. Ain't no way we're making money on this day. Yeah, -3%. But we should be able to get enough shares to hopefully be able to hit it. So price is not gonna be under 100. A champ. Give me a bull, and then give me a loner. Vitamins. All cards press minus are permanently buffed. Use when market is open, price -10. Nope. Don't bother with it. What we got here? 1 trick pony. Ooh, if a card triggers more than 5 times in a single day, remove this perk and add 2 stacks to another. Ooh. Persistent or consistent. Let's run. Card selection. Oh, okay. Well, I guess we'll do 1 trick pony then. Well, no. Max interest. Let's do max interest. That's fine. Huh. Alright, I guess just sell that and then give me a sleeping pill and we'll work with that. Go ahead, drop the price by 10 buckaroonies. This one, we're gonna move you. To the end. Yeah, because it's only $1. It's fine. Percentages up front is fine. Can I discard this one? It's cool. What this one? Nice. Last move. Yeah, this is supposed to be for a crazy day, because otherwise I die. So this has to be massive. No, it's not enough. Dang. That sucks. Alright. We'll run it back in. Let's see. I see how it is. Let's go. Now we're out of the Toro. Let's get an actual run. I guess start. Okay. New beginnings. Add to shop. System type cards. Order based cards. Buffs. Tool type. Re-triggers. Let's do re-triggers. Your new friend offers you. Sure. Give me the random pill. What is this? Sleeping pill. Alright. Okay. Start it up. Cool. Let me use this pill so I can get it to 90. Go ahead and move this there. Discard this one. And move this one here. And then that should be good. This should be a massive trading day. 12%. Yep, there you go. 124 bucks. That's not bad. Not bad for a first day. Quickly just kind of bought some stuff. Price is at 101, so we can probably start at 100 or lower. Plus 2% price on first trigger each day. Trigger once more. And bull trap. If price is under... Okay, so this is actually just a blank if we have it later, which is not bad. Cool. And let's get that too. Dewormers. Really, first 2 cards in queue and redraw them. Actually, a dewormer's good. That is good in case we have a bad day like this. So let's just go ahead and... Actually, it's looking like an overall bad day. So let's make it even worse day. Let's make it an even worse day. Yeah, that's 3, 5, whatever. Skip it. I want to be able to buy more tokens. More, not more tokens, but more stuff. Wait, how much was that? 10%. Dang. All right, let's be smart here. Calf, bull, plus 1% prize. Whatever. More ladder, bigger bull. Okay, let's do a ladder. I'm down with that. Rope, minus 2% prize on first trigger each day, trigger once more. Let's also run that. So, plus 2% or minus 2%. So it just depends on what I want. 15 tokens. We have 15. Cool. Last card in queue gets 1 in 3 chance to lead itself after triggering. Final sprint. Last 2 cards in queue. Feeder. Every time a bull or a bear type card triggers each day, all cards price modding effects are temporary buffed by... Yeah, you know, let's do feeder. I'm curious to see how that goes. Cards select replace all cards with random rare cards. Yeah. You know, let's send it and do the... It doesn't let you for whatever reason. Get rid of that and then move this to here. And then this should be a day for trading. 2, 3, 5, minus 10, 6, 2, 4, 5, 6, 2, 9. Yeah, it should be a positive day, I think. It should be positive. Should be super negative at least. No, it was bad. Okay. I figured the ladder and the rope would cancel out. Oh, wait. But then again, it's better to have it at the front for negatives and then positive. I don't know, man. Prices are like always going to be over 100. Let's just get a bull and dynamite. Minus 1 price on every second trigger each day. Do minus 20% price instead. Okay, tank the price. I'm down with that. Digestive. Okay. Start day. It's Thursday. Move you and instead... Nah, keep those there, actually. That's fine. Cool. Just send that, and let's try it. Oh, 23% up. Oh, heck yeah. Oh, heck yeah. Ladder would be not bad. Let's get our ladder. Start increasing our tool count. And a controller. 15, not enough. Said, you know what, let's just get rid of it. I don't want them. We gotta make money. Move. That one first. Let's try it. I'm curious. This could be very bad, but it might be good actually at this point. Was not good. We're not very good at this game. We suck at trading. We don't know stock in this place. Frick. Alright, one more. If we're this bad, it shouldn't take long to lose out. Junk type cards. Limited use cards. Card deletes. Ooh. Let's do that. Yeah, give me the weird pill. What are you? Cocktail. Football, empty pill slots for random pills. Do it. What do we got? Psychedelic and then digestive. If use when market is open, discard and redraw all cards in queue. So if we have a bad day, we can just send it and get rid of it. Yeah. It's a very spread day. I hate this. Let's go just discard that. Move this. Man, let's just skip it. I don't like that, actually. I really don't like it. It was only a very marginally increased day of 1%. I'm kind of glad I skipped it, actually. It's not very good. Police. Nah, bull. Plastic bottles. Price minus 4% when this card gets deleted. Restore this card to add it back into the deck. Then permanently modify this card's effect. Ooh. Minus 7% price deleted from deck after 3 triggers. Interesting. Okay, plastic bottles are actually good eventually. 15. Plus 3 cards get trigger queue. First red. Nope. 1 trigger. Okay. 1 in 5 chance for bull and bear type cards to be deleted upon trigger. Alright, let's poach. Let's do it. Let's thin deck like crazy. Ooh. Okay, so minus 4%. Okay, cool. So I need to find a way to delete this junk. This is still a bad day. I'm gonna be real. Like, I'm gonna trade just to see. Hopefully it's not as bad as I think it is. No, it's a slight loss. Point. It just neutraled back out. Okay. Alright. Fuck. Lost $9 on that deal. That sucks. Let's get a greedy. The Rebel. Minus 5% price. If price is over $100 after trade, re-trigger up to 5 times per day. Oh boy. Okay, I like that. Oh, media. Yeah, you know what? Let's do that. That's a bit crazy. A bit stupid. We're gonna skip today. I'm gonna see how low that price gets. I'm letting some of this stuff just fall apart. Okay, cool. Now we have to start playing, though, because the price is incredibly low, and now we can actually benefit. Alright, get the old media out here. Ooh. Curse upgrades. Curse. Plus 3 card queue slot. Ooh, add a no card to the deck at the start of every day. No. Last 4 cards in queue get 1 trigger count, 2 queue slot down. Oh, damn. Double down. Next time a perk is bought for the shop. Add 1 extra. Yeah, actually, double down I like. Oh, absolutely take double down if I survive this. Old media, minus 7% price. I need to get that out of there. And then this guy needs to go. Actually, get rid of that too. And you need to go here. You need to get out of here. And then hopefully. Okay, that should be fine. We should be able to trade and probably get a profit. Decent profit, hopefully. 20% game. That should get us out of the weeds a little bit. And we have to win this next day. So if lottery ticket does nothing. Bleed from deck after triggering. Okay. New media. 7% price. Okay, take that. Counterfeit bill. +1 token. Discards delete after trigger. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. I'll take that. That's like a nothing burger. Ah, come on. Ooh. We gotta trade. But what's like the worst thing? I'd say it's -7. Pretty bad. And then can I also get away with getting rid of that -5? Okay, this should work. That should work. We should profit. Hopefully we profit enough. No, not enough. Damn it. Jesus, this is hard. This game's hard. Man, this is a rough game. I don't know if I'm just bad or if this game's just hard, but I think I'm gonna end that here. I would say this game is all right. I feel like it needs a little bit more polish, maybe some more balancing. It feels like it's a bit unforgiving, which I get. It's a trading game. That stuff happens. But like, it doesn't feel like I can easily make the second quota, even if I get the first quota. Unless there's just some weird broken builds that are actually great. But, I don't know. I'd say this game's probably alright. But I probably wouldn't get it unless it's not on sale. It's probably not worth it. But anyways, if you guys enjoy this first impressions, then go ahead, leave a like and subscribe down below. Comment, and let me know what I can do better.